Far in the future, giant factories are creating intelligent robots for the world. Every morning, thousands of workers and engineers enter these advanced factories. Inside the building, powerful machines work day and night without stopping. Everything starts with an idea designed by talented engineers. They carefully create digital models of robots using advanced computer software.
The robot's skeleton is designed to move like a human body.
Engineers test every movement before building the real machine. Special artists and designers create realistic robot faces and expressions. Artificial intelligence systems analyze every detail of the robot's body.
After months of planning, the factory begins creating the robot.
Massive laser machines cut strong steel pieces with incredible precision. Each metal part is shaped carefully to fit perfectly together. Bright sparks flee through the air as robotic cutters work non-stop. Factory workers transport heavy robot parts across the assembly area.
The metal surfaces are polished until they shine like mirrors. Giant robotic arms begin assembling the robot's main body. Powerful machines connect the legs and joints with perfect accuracy.
The robot's hands are attached carefully using advanced technology.
Engineers inspect every connection to avoid future problems.
Slowly, the robot's body begins to look complete. Next, powerful electric motors are installed inside the robot. These motors allow the robot to move smoothly and naturally. Small servo motors control every tiny movement inside the machine. Computer systems check whether the motors are working correctly. For the first time, the robot's fingers begin to move.
Thousands of colorful wires are connected inside the robot's body.
Advanced electronic circuits act like the robot's nervous system. Tiny lights glow as electricity flows through the machine. Special cameras are attached to help the robot see the world. Every electronic system is tested before the robot is activated.
The robot learns to recognize shapes, colors, and movement.
Hearing sensors allow the robot to detect sounds and voices. Touch sensors help the robot feel objects with accuracy. Laser scanners help the robot measure distance and avoid obstacles.
Now programmers begin writing the robot's artificial intelligence. Millions of lines of code teach the robot how to think.
Machine learning systems train the robot using advanced simulations.
Execute command sequence yellow.
The input matches the expected parameters.
the robot slowly learns to understand human commands. For the first time, the robot responds to human speech.
Finally, the moment of activation arrives.
The robot's eyes suddenly glow bright blue.
Electric power flows through every part of the machine. Scientists watch carefully as the robot wakes up.
The humanoid robot slowly stands on its own feet.
At first, the robot struggles to walk properly.
But after many tests, its movements become smooth and balanced. The robot learns how to lift objects safely. Engineers monitor every movement using advanced computer systems. After successful testing, the robot is finally ready for work. If you enjoyed this amazing journey of robot creation, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more incredible future technology videos.